Hello and welcome to our face recognition project, FaceMatch. This project was made for the final submission of CS50 Python course in collaboration by Krishna Kanodia and Manjeet Sharma. In this video, we will walk you through the key features of the system, how it works, and demonstrate its functionality in real time. Let's go to the code and start running it. Oops. Okay, as you can see, the code was not able to find an admin image, so it's because it was running for the first time. So I'll have to give it an admin image. I have to press C for capturing an image. Now the code is asking for me to capture image to verify. The system uses OpenCV's hard cascade classifier to detect the faces in both the captured image and the stored admin image. If a face is detected, the next step is face matching. Matching the faces. If the similarity score is above 50%, the system will indicate a successful match. Now let's test the system with a different face to see how it handles a mismatch. As you can see, the system correctly identifies that the faces do not match based on the similarity score. Another feature of the system is the ability to update the admin face. To replace the existing admin face, you just have to run the project with a command line argument. Now let's see if that worked. Okay. So to summarize, this project integrates face detection, image capture and face matching into one smooth system. We also included a feature to update the admin face and tested the system using different images. Now let's check out the test functions for the project. First, we name the paths and then load the images. Next, we define three functions for testing our main functions in the project code. The first test function, test capture image, tests for the capture image function in the project, which is responsible for accessing the camera and storing the image at the right path. So the test function checks if the image was actually captured, and then it checks if the image was actually saved, and then the temporarily captured image is actually removed from the storage to free up space. The second function, test detect faces, tests the detect faces functions of the project code. So it basically tests if the detect faces returns appropriate objects or not. The detect faces should return numpy array objects. And also this function tests if the system could sense the absence of faces in the image. Lastly, the test match function for match function in the project code sees if the code is correctly matching same faces and rejecting dissimilar faces. So we have our test images here. And now let's try running this test code. As you can see, our code has successfully passed the 3 tests. Thank you for watching the demo. This was FaceMatch. Signing off, Krishna Kanoji and Manjeet Sharma from CS50 Python. Thank you.